गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। लास्ट सेशन में हमने TYU 11 तक कंक्लूड कर लिया था। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। एक फर्दर रीडिंग भी है, दोनों को हम कैटर करते हैं वन बाय वन। इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर बजटिंग, मतलब बजटिंग प्रिपेयर करने के लिए हमें क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, ये थोड़ा हमने पढ़ भी लिया था, तो भी मैं थोड़ा रिवाइज कर रहा हूँ। Budgeting required a great deal of information that can be drawn from the many resources, previous year's actual results, other internal source which may includes managers' knowledge concerning the state of repairs of fixed assets, training needs of the staff, long-term requirement of individual customers, estimation of cost of new product using friends methods such as the work study techniques and the technical estimation. Statistics techniques may be help to forecast the sales, मतलब future sales की बात कर रहे हैं. Models such as the EOQ may be used to forecast the optimum inventory. External source of information may include supplier rate list, estimation of the inflations, exchange rate movements, strategical analysis of economic environment. Change forecast in predicting budget frames. Pestle model made the AB in the useful for identify the change factor. अब ये फर्स्ट वर्ड को उन्होंने शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट कर दिया है. पॉलिटिकल चेंज P से फर्स्ट शुरू हुआ. The change in the government policy, for example, fiscal policy, may affect the demand for the organization product and the cost incurred in the providing them. Any such a change would be affect the both fronts, short-term and long-term planning. This is one reason why planning is a continuous process. अब बहुत सीधी सी बात है, पॉलिटिकल चेंजेस जो आते हैं उसमें पॉलिटिकल पार्टी चेंज होने के कारण भी पॉलिसी में चेंज आता है, और नंबर 2 कभी कभी सिचुएशन बेस्ड गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी में चेंजेस आता है, मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी एंड फिस्कल पॉलिसी में चेंजेस आते हैं. तो दैट विल इम्पैक्ट द ओवरऑल डिमांड स्ट्रक्चर, कंजम्पशन स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी. Social change in the social responsibility and the people's attitude towards them affect every organization. In the recent year, there has been much more concern about the social responsibilities, some of which would be now recognized by the law. All of this factor may impinge friends on the plan of the organization. अब ये social change में सबसे बड़ा change अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं, that is nothing but COVID-19 का है. उसमें आपको मालूम है कि बहुत सारे डिमांड स्ट्रक हो गए हैं. अब 3 तरह की गुड्स रहती है, एक तो एसेंशियल गुड्स है, दूसरा सेमी एसेंशियल गुड्स है, थर्ड लग्जरी गुड्स है. अब जो एसेंशियल गुड्स है उसका तो जो कंजम्पशन है वो इमीडिएटली रिकवर होगा 1 या 2 क्वार्टर्स में. सेमी एसेंशियल शायद 3rd क्वार्टर्स में रिवाइव होगा. अगर लग्जरी आइटम्स का जो मार्केट्स है वो रिवाइव होते होते शायद 1 साल और या 2 साल लग सकता है. जो भी लोग हैं जिनके पास अभी पैसा नहीं है तो वो they are not spending on the luxury items. So it depends on the nature of products, what you are selling in your company. It will decide trends, consumption recovery post COVID-19. Now economics change. When there is a change in the economics climate from the boom through to the recessions and the demand upon the people's income, because more focus money tend to be spent on the necessary goods with little less for the luxury. देखो वही wording यहाँ पे use हुआ है जो अभी मैं आपको explain कर रहा था. The lack of saving deter friends investment, which the results that the plan has to be modified if they have to realize the target. Economic factors could be local and the national and international and includes friends. global factors such as the banking crisis and its ongoing impact on the world economies. Technical changes when the plan are being made that would be based upon the use of certain methods, right? And the equipment and technology advance, the older methods are being proven to be inefficient with the result that decisions are taken upon the operations as the consequence of the aspect of the budget and the plan funds which relate to the old methods are no longer relevant. Revised plan must now be drawn upon the basis of new technology. Correct. Legal changes. When the plan are made, they may be based on the current legal framework and the no one change on that also factor in the over the time. However, change to the legal framework can be cause information that used when pulling the budget together becomes redundant. An example of this might be the government introduced legislations that ban the fast foods from being advertised during the interval between the friends' children's TV programs. Other factors. Not that the while the best analysis can be very useful to identify the driver of change in the industry, it does not automatically dictate all the factors that cause uncertainty. Such a competitive factors such as the activities of the rivals, stakeholder factors such as the increased pressure from the trade unions or in change, etc. Now describe the source of information required for a company's cash budget. अब थोड़ा यहाँ पे ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग हम लोग कर लेते हैं. यदि हमें कैश बजट बनाना है तो वी नीड द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ expected income and expected expenses. Then after we need the information of what credit policy would be allowed to the customers and what credit policy available from the customers, what is the cycles for the payments to our expenses, etc. Is there any capital expenditures expected so that we will need to consider? So all this information we need before we prepare our cash budget. Now let's see the answer portion. Internal information would be required for sales department relating to the volume and estimation of the collection period. Matlab, what is the revenue figures and what is our credit policy with our customer. Production manager will be estimate material and labor and overhead uses. Purchase manager would be estimate the material price in the payment terms. Human resources would be forecast the rate, bonus payments and overtime. Finance officer may forecast the interest, dividend and general office. External information may be required relating to the forecast of the interest rate, tax rate, payments terms of the taxation, exchange rate and inflation. तो ये पूरा एक जनरल आंसर है. जो मैंने बोला उसको उन्होंने थोड़ा डिपार्टमेंट वाइज स्पेसिफाइड किया हुआ है. जस्ट गो थ्रू कर लीजिए 2 मिनट में, फिर अब आगे बढ़ते. complete. अब नेक्स्ट मैटर जो हमें पढ़ना है वो चेंजिंग द बजटरी सिस्टम्स. The change in the budgetary system could brings about the improve the planning, control, and decision making. However, before change is made, the following issues should be considered: is suitable trained staff available to implement the change successfully? Will the change the system take and management time that would be used to focus on the strategies? All the staff involved in the budget process will need to be trained in a new system and understand the procedures to be followed in changing to the new approach. A lack of participation and understanding built resistance to the change. All the cost of system change, new systems, training costs should be evaluated against the perceived benefit, and the benefit may be difficult to quantify. Therefore, it is a rigorous investment appraisal for project that would be difficult to repeat. Now, TYU 13, a large holiday complex currently use friends incremental budgeting, but it is a concern about its very high proportion of the overhead cost and it considering change to the activity-based budgeting. Very clear. The demand follow a fairly predictable seasonal pattern. Discuss the issue that would be considered before changing to the new budgetary system. सीधी सी बात है, यदि ओवरहेड का पोर्शन ज़्यादा है तो हमें एक्टिविटी बेस्ड बजटिंग के लिए यदि जाना होगा तो वहाँ पे हमें एक्टिविटीज़ को आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा. उसके बाद उसके कनेक्टेड कॉस्ट ड्राइवर्स को हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा. एंड we need to check it out, primary activities, secondary activities, even non-valued items we need to remove from the system before we start the activity-based budgeting. नाउ सबसे पहले TYU 13 का आंसर्स रिव्यू करेंगे एक्टिविटी बेस्ड बजटिंग पे। An analysis of the overhead should be carried out to determine the proportion that has been identified, the cost driver which differ from the normal volume related cost driver which may be used when the carrying out incremental budgeting. If the substantial volume of overhead is non-volume related, then implementation of ABB leads to be more accurate planning and control. Issue which would be then been considered includes develop the purchase of suitable computer system to support the ABB, very clear. Training the staff to operate the interpret the information produced. Development of the implementation plant and whether this would be run in the tandem with the existing process of the trial period frames. मतलब यहाँ पे क्लियर कट वे उन्होंने बताया है कि हमको सबसे पहले तो कंप्यूटराइज सिस्टम्स इंप्लीमेंट करनी पड़ेगी, प्रॉपर स्टाफ ट्रेनिंग्स होगा, ये चेंज के बारे में बात है, और उसके बाद हमें एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम और न्यू सिस्टम दोनों को पैरेलली चलाना पड़ेगा ट्रायल पीरियड के लिए. देन आफ्टर वी विल स्विच ओवर टू द फ्रेंड्स न्यू सिस्टम्स. प्लीज गो थ्रू विद दिस. Complete. Now let's we go back. मतलब पूरे चैप्टर्स में उन्होंने प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट को कवर किया है, मगर थियोरेटिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कवर किया है. Now dealings with the uncertainty in the budgeting. The budget are open to the uncertainty. For example, non-controllable factors such as the recession or change in the price change by the supplier will contribute to uncertainty in the budget setting process. Uncertainty arising largely because of change in the external environment over which a company will have a little control. The reason includes things. Social and political unrest could affect the brand productivity through the industrial actions, as could natural friend disasters like earthquake, etc. Storm. Machine may be break down unexpectedly and the business may be fail meet the production schedules. Customer may decide to buy more or less goods and services than the originally forecast. For example, if major customer goes into liquidation, this use affect the companies could cause them to go into liquidation. The workforce may not perform as the expected result because lack of motivation, illness, and on the other hand, they have performed better than the thought. The competitors may strengthen or emerge as take some business away from the company. On the other hand, a competitor's position may weaken friends, leading to increase the business. Technological advancement may take place in the leads to companies' production of the several to becomes outdated and therefore less desirable. Material may increase in the price because the global change in the commodities price, inflations as well as the movements in the interest rate can cause the price of the all inputs to increase or decrease. There is a several techniques available to help deal with the uncertainty they have discussed before and includes flexible budget friends means we prepared for multiple levels friends, capacity levels we prepared different budget, and according to that budget level we will compare with the actual part. Flexible budget, yes, the budget which would be recognized different cost, behavior pattern, the design to change as the volume of the activities. The flexible budget are prepared under the marginal costing principles. So the mixed cost are being split into fixed and variable. This is useful and the control stage. It would be necessary to compare actual results to the actual level of activity achieved and against the results that would have been expected to the level of activities, which would be shown by the flexible budget. Okay. Rolling budget, friends. Budget is updated regularly and the result uncertainty is reduced. Sensitivity analysis variable can be changed once at the time and the large number of budget produced. For example, that can be happens if the actual sales volume was only 75% of the budget amount. Simulation, friends, similar to the sensitivity analysis, but it is possible to change more than one variable at a time. सेंसिटिविटी एनालिसिस में एक वेरिएबल चेंज करते तो बाकी सारे वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट एज्यूम करते. सिमुलेशन में we can change more than one variables at a time. Now the examples we get for flexible budget. EOIF company friend manufactures a smartphone and has developed a new handsets at the maximum production capacity of the company is 150,000 units of the new handset. The company's management accountant is currently preparing an annual flexible budget and collected the following information. 1 lakhs, 1,20,000 and 1,50,000 material and labor given and incremental fixed cost given. In addition to the above data, the management accountant estimate that each increments of 15,000 units produced, one supervisor would be needed to employ, and supervisor salary is 42,000. Assuming the budget figures are correct, or which would be fixed total production cost being if the production is 90% of the maximum capacity. The management accountant has said that the factory smartphones quality control system carried a cost that would be not included in flexible budget, but it should be estimated that every 1,000 smartphone will have 5 hours to control every quality control hours as a variable cost of $120 and the fixed quality control expenses 2,50,000, which is estimated quality control if production of the smartphone is 90% of the maximum capacity. Which two of the following statements relating to the preparation of flexible budget for the H1R2? Budget will be encouraged all the activities and their value to the organizations to review and assess, correct? Flexible budget will be give managers more opportunity to include the budget slates from the fixed budget. Budget could be time consuming to produce and splitting out the semi-variable cost may not be straightforward. The range of output overweighs the assumption about how costs behave could be difficult to determine. I think first and second is more near to the correct part. Let's see now. 3 and 4th is correct. Totally reverse side. Okay, let's see now. 90% of the capacity is 90% of the 1,50,000 means 1,35,000. Step supervisor cost 1,35,000 divided by 15,000 means 9 steps. Material cost 1,35,000 into 7, 9,45,000. Labor cost is 1,35,000 into 7.5, 10,12,500. Fixed cost 60,000. Step cost 9 into 42, 3,78,000. Total fixed production cost. Flex, okay. Flex matlab it is revised standard. 23,95,000. 90% capacity 1,35,000. Fixed quality control expenses is 2,50,000. 1,35,000 smartphone divided by 1,000, it is 135. Round quality control round and 5 hours and 120 rate matlab 81,000. So total cost is 3,31,000. So we can get both the figures, quality control cost and thereafter. Now statement 3 and 4 are correct. It is zero-based budgeting, not the flexible budget which assess all the activities from the value to the organization. So the statement 1 is incorrect. Okay, the flexible budget will be not been better or worse when the fixed budget is the terms of includes the budgetary slack. So statement 2 is incorrect. Flexible budget can be time consuming to produce the split of the semi-variable. Problematic, no. So statement 3 is correct, and estimate how the cost has over different level of activities can be difficult to predict. So statement 4 is correct. So more or less the people indicate okay, first two is something connected with other areas and third and fourth is connected with the flexible budget. So according to that they are giving the direction of the answers. एक बार जरा सी क्वेश्चन को एक बार आप फिर से रिव्यू कर लो तो थोड़ा क्लैरिटी बढ़ जाए, ठीक है। Now they talk about the spreadsheet, मतलब Excel sheet. A spreadsheet, the computer package which store the data in the matrix format. When the intersection of the each row and column is referred to the cell, and they are commonly used to assist in the budget processes. Advantage: large enough to include the large volume of information. Formulas and look up the table can be used so that if any figure is amended, all the figures would be immediately recalculated. This is very useful for carrying out the sensitivity analysis. The results can be printed out or distributed to the other users electronically, quickly and easily. Most programs can also present the results graphically. That is, a balance can be shown in the bar chart. Okay. क्लोजिंग कैश बैलेंस बार चार्ट में प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है. डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ द स्प्रेडशीट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर बजट एप्लीकेशन विल टेक टाइम टू डेवलप. The benefit of the spreadsheet must be greater than the cost of developing and maintaining it. Sometimes if cost is greater than benefit, then we drop the concept. Data can be incidentally changed without the users being aware of the occurring, and errors in the design and particularly in the use of formula can produce invalid outcome. Very clear. Human errors is always there. Data use will be subject to high degree of uncertainty. This may be forgotten and the data used to produce what is considered to be an accurate report. Security users such as the risks, unauthorized access, or a loss of data. Version control issue can arise. Educating the staff to use the spreadsheet model and with area cell to use the input can be time consuming. So all these are the limitation what we can say for the spreadsheet. Now illustration given, use the spreadsheet for budgeting. When the budgeting, producing the master budget mutually, the major a problem is assuring that there is initially entry in the budget or any adjustment to the budget items dealt with every budget that has relevant. In the effect, the budgets need to be compiled with the normal double entry principle to be consistent. Suppose, for instance, we have a sales in the last month would be expected to be raised by 10,000. The adjustment would be necessary. Sales budget would be need to be increased. If the customer take more than the 1 month to pay, year-end receivable would need to be changed. Cost of sales would increase, purchase would need to be increased, either payment or cash payment need to be increased, inventory at the month or at the maybe increased, but not the final year end inventory. Okay, now beyond budgeting, again new concept. Whole concept of budgeting turn around the ideas that the operation of an organization can be meaningfully planned for some details over the extended period into future. Further, there is a plan can be used to guide, control, and coordinate the activities of the numerous departments and individual with the organization. The modern economy environment is associated with the rigidly changing environment, flexible manufacturing, short product life cycle, and the product services which is highly customized. The lean business and the virtual business are response to this. Such a business on limited assets of and the traditional kind of much assembling resources as when they needed to meet the customer demand. The key to these operations are being flexible and speed of the response. They are able to move quickly to exploit threats, opportunity, and the arise and do not operate the accounting to the elaborate the business plan. In an age of continuous change, unpredictable competitions, and the fickle customers, few companies can plan ahead with any confidence. At most, organization remains locked into the plan, make, and sell business model that involve the protracted annual budget process based on the negotiated target and they assume that customer will buy what the company decide to make. Such assumptions are no longer valid in the age where the customer are switch loyalty at the click of the mouse. Beyond budgeting is the generic name given to the body of practice intended to be replaced the budgeting as management model. The core concept is need to move from the business model based on centralized organization hierarchy to one based on the devolved friends network. Beyond budgeting is defined in the SEMA official terminology is idea that company need to move beyond budgeting because of the inherent flow in the budget, especially when used to set the incentive contract. It is argued that the range of techniques such as the rolling forecast and the market-related target can take the place of the traditional budgeting. Beyond budgeting, 8 principles. BB. Organization structure will clear principle and boundary. A manager would have no doubt over what he or she is responsible for and where she can authority and over the concept of the internal market or business trends. Units may be relevant here. The managers would be given goal and target which are based on the relative success and linked to the shareholder value, such as the target may be based on the key performance indicator and benchmark following the balanced scorecard principles. Managers should be give high degree of freedom to make the decisions. This freedom will be consistent with the total quality management and business process re-engineering concept. BB organization chart should be flat. Responsibility of the decisions that generate value should be placed with the frontline team. Again, this is consist of TQM, business process reengineering concept. The frontline team would be made responsible for relationship with the customers and associate business and supplier, direct communication between the parties involved, such as the facilitated, and this is consist with the strategical cost management concept. Information such as support systems should be transparent, and the ethical and the activity-based control accounting system with reporting on the activities for which management will team up responsibilities likely to be used in the regards. BB is essential as an approach that places modern management practice within cultural framework. The process of management is not about the administrating the fixed budget, but it is about the dynamics allocation of resources. Benefit of the beyond budgeting. All the case study are been different, but the following general benefit of the beyond budgeting. Faster response time, operating with the flexible organization network, and that structure strategies and adaptive process allow the managers to respond quickly on the customer request. Better innovations. Manager working with the environment where performance is judged on the basis of the team and the business unit results encourage the adoption of the new innovation. Relationship with the customers and supplier through supply chain management may facilitate friends adoption of the new working methods and techniques. Lower cost. In the contents of the BB, the manager are more likely to pursue cost and the scarce resources which has to be used effectively than the budget entitlement that has to be used, and BB is also likely to promote awareness of the purpose which the cost has been incurred, and therefore it is potential for the reduction. The improved customers and supplier loyalty. The leading role of the frontline team is to dealing with customer and supplier is likely to deepen the relevant relationship. As with many innovation in the management practice, BB was the capture of this time, and it is appear in the mid 1990 at the time where globalization and advance in the IT has been tending to the speed up the business environment. In the practice, customers has greater choice and expected faster services. The key competitive constraint in the most business situation is no longer labor and capital. For example, labor is locally scarce when the work can be outsourced to the India or manufacturing can be outsourced to China. In many practical business situations, the key competitive factor is likely to be intellectual and knowledge base in the characters. The BB model appear as a set of information is best practice which would be attuned to the new situations. BB is intended to be a exercise in the mobilizing the component managers, skilled workers, and the loyal customer. However, the traditional budgeting still has a defender, such as defender claim that the budgeting may be associated with the command and the control and the management style. It is management style that is problem and no budgeting. Matlab here we are giving more flexibility in compared to the traditional budgeting. That is the argument on the part of friend defender of the traditional budgeting. Now, researcher has explored the history of the BB implementation to determine whether or not this would be deliver improved results. BBRT has reported several case studies. The best known of this that is Swinkasa Friends Handel Beckons. This Sweden banks abundance budgeting in the 1972 and switch over to the delegation model involving 600 automated work units that avoid the forming the planning and target setting. Bank managers run their own business and are able to decide how many staff they need. They have obtained the support services from that product they market to their customers. Branch performance is assessed using the measures such as the customer profitability, customer retention, and the work productivity. The bank's model might indicate the higher level of corporate risks, which also would implies for the cost of money and market capitalization. However, it is claimed that the model favors flexibility. In the absence of the fixed plan, the product and project can be designed to allow easy modification and exit route. This view suggests that the model invite different approach to the risk management rather than accepting the higher risk. So here we conclude these chapters. Measures T value is based on friends theoretical aspect. So more or less we are here talking about how to implement the budgeting, what is different types of budgeting, what is exact environment and behavior science behind preparing the budgeting. All these things we will see, and we see the practical situations in that how we will implement the budgeting and how we will change the budgeting, how we will change the systems of budgeting, and last we learn the beyond budgeting where that is total flexibilities regarding the outcome, and it is totally focused on the friends customers and the stakeholders requirement. According to that we will create ready flexibilities to match the budgeting, but that budgeting not having the management control as such requires in the traditional one. Now against this, let me explain you a little bit about the traditional budgeting, whatever we already learned. We already learned cash budget, where we talk about receipt and payments month-wise, and we find out the balances month-wise. That is helpful for deciding the cash planning. In addition to that, we've seen about the flexible budget. In flexible budget, you know very well there are three types of cost: fixed cost, semi-variable cost, and variable cost. Now, variable cost is changing as the level of activities change, while fixed cost remains constant, and semi-variable cost remains constant. And after jump, again it remains constant. Again it is jump. So it is nature of semi-variable cost. So all these three nature of cost we will try to verify, and then after we prepared friends flexible budget. The people explain the flux budget also. Flux budget is nothing but whatever we see in the example 14 friends or TYU 14, that is 90% capacity, 1,35,000 friends output level. So whatever budget it is given for other level of unit, that we will convert revised standards for 1,35,000 unit, and then after we compare with the actual results. So that is nothing but flex budget friends. And now the last one would be friends functional budget. So you know very well under functional budget friends, first of all we always go with the sales budget, and from sales budget we will prepare friends production budget. From production budget we prepare raw material required budget, labor budget, and overhead budget. So this is the flow of budgeting what we are supposed to follow under functional budgeting. Clear? And even in these chapters we learn, okay, what would be the advantage of the friends spreadsheets and whatever limitation of the use of spreadsheets, because you know very well in examination we need to solve all these aspect under a spreadsheets aspect only. So at least in the practical life when we use the Excel sheet or spreadsheets for applying the budgeting, we must have a knowledge of what would be the advantage and disadvantage of using spreadsheet for the purpose of budgeting. क्लियर माय वर्डिंग? सो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने ये चैप्टर जो था बजटिंग उसको कंक्लूड कर लिया, और आज हम सेशन को यहीं तक रखते हैं। नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे न्यू चैप्टर के साथ। बिफोर वी गो फॉर द concluding these sessions, let confirm everything is clear what today we discuss. Perfect. So thank you very much to all of you.